Hey guys, what's up? Bringing you another video. I'm going to show you something pretty cool that I figured out. Pretty much just something that I came up with, and it actually works. It's how to charge your RTZE or RYZE Tello off of solar power, off the sun. Now check this out. I'm going to open up my little handy dandy little bag here. My little handy dandy bag. Alright, you just gotta watch this. Check this out. Dun, 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 dun. How cool is that? Yes, it is charging off of the solar. My little solar thing that I just came up with, and I got that thing like at Goodwill. Didn't know if it worked. So I put it in the sun, charged it up a little bit, turned it on, and there it is. It's actually charging the Tello. Pretty cool, huh? Just little things that I find that actually work. So smash that like button. Make sure to hit that notification button. Subscribe to my page so that you can see more of my videos coming in. Till my next video, I'll see you later. And I'll have more with the Tello.